Why not have a little friendly competition?
There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
Alright, so we love this place and we don't mean to turn them against each other, but they both have Chimi, I believe is the pronunciation. Please, in the comment section, correct me. We decided, you know what, why not have a little friendly competition? We tried this Dominican spot here, means what, salt and pepper?
Yes.
And then also another spot there the other night that we're meant to get one from.
Yeah.
And funny enough, I told her literally cheese chimney, and she gave me exactly what I asked for, which was that. And she asked me if I was sure, but I wasn't, and we didn't get a burger patty in there. So we're gonna give them a fair shot, as well as put them up against our reigning champion as this one here. Look out, actually I'm gonna try to compare the food to here versus Kissimmee in the future, but for right now we're just gonna have a little bit of ranch on ranch versus. We're gonna do 2 chimneys, one from here
and one from
there, and then we're gonna make peace at the end with
our
some churros and some donuts. So let's get to it. Right now we're gonna do a little bit of a versus. Like I said, I'm gonna order the chima here now, or chimi or chima. I gotta hear them say it. It's chimi. Okay, let's take a look here. If I'm going to be honest, a while ago I just got a look from someone in the food truck that wasn't the most inviting look, but he might be wondering what the hell I'm doing with the camera. They have all kind of plates of food, they have drinks, all kinds of stuff here. Let's see what they got. So let's take a quick look at the menu. Now one thing I have to say that's great about this place is that they have the menu in Spanish, which is great, but they also have it in English, which is very welcoming. You're not always gonna find that, especially like we've been used to in South Florida. It's kind of, you get down, you know Spanish or you don't, and that's not very welcoming all the time when there's a language barrier. So just giving you a quick overview of what they have here before I order. And there's a Spanish version in case you want to brush up on your Spanish or practice. I actually like this too because it will help you if you have the time to take a look at the verses of what they have, so you can kind of start to recognize words for later on ordering with them or at other places. So they have chicken, beef. This is what I accidentally ordered last time, which is just cheese. I think that says Chivirico. Let's go with that. I'm gonna confidently say Chivirico and make them correct me from there. Alright, let's order some food and see how it comes out. So I'm not gonna lie to you, I always champion the fact that when you're here, they're very accommodating to the language barrier, but it is much easier if you learn the language. It's not necessary, obviously you don't have to learn the language to come here and eat food, but if the more that you can learn about the culture and know the words and stuff like that, they're better. Obviously you have Google Translate and those things, and they're not going to be snobbish about when you order something or mispronounce it. So at least I have not come across that. If I do, I will definitely share that with you. So I think what she was telling me is the version that I was trying to order, they don't have any avocado right now. So I just got the classic and we're gonna do that versus that one. Now, I do have to obviously take that into consideration when we compare the two. We have to compare what we can compare, the bread, the meat, those things like that. That one is gonna come super jazzed up there, and I'm probably leaning towards that one winning, but we will see who comes out on top today as far as that. This food is still good enough to come back for. When we did get the cheese one by mistake, which was just cheese, there was no beef patty in that one. The bread was really impressive, and I know we ate it when we were hungry, but it was still very good. And remember, if you're enjoying this content, like if you like, but if you really want to show some love, hit the sub and hit that bell as well. So this is a new spot that they just brought over here. This is a much smaller truck, but it's always encouraging to see new ones because it means that hopefully they're doing well. I don't know if we will be grabbing anything from them particularly today, but we will try something as long as it accommodates to our menu. So they have empanadas, pina colada, pinchos, Puerto Rican flag, American flag, and Colombian flag. Anyway, let's go back. First of all, let's see who wins. Lisa has the jump on me. She's waiting for the food now. Over there, they take a little while, but it's worth the wait. We're gonna see if I end up getting my food first.
Food just came at the same time. Yo, look at that. Okay, look at that.
All right, so first things first, if we're being honest.
French fries over here, guys.
Thank you.
Everything's okay now?
Perfect, perfect. Fries are super hot. Must have just came out there for him. I should have got the fries over there. You see the difference? But mainly got the fries for Kellan anyway. Now look, I don't want to be disrespectful. We're sitting at the Dominican spot right now. And I'm trying to be fair to them over there as far as the comparison of the two. You can see, first of all, size-wise, I would say it's fairly even, if a slight edge to this one, but I mean, the breads are, I mean, that's fairly the same size. We haven't opened them up yet. This place does take a little longer over here. Like I said, it's worth the wait, but I ordered this food over there significantly afterward. I went over after she had ordered, kind of filmed, and then put in the order. And we got the food around the same time. So as far as speed, they're winning out of the two, but that's up to you if that's important. But there's a spot next door right here, so we're gonna pick them up too. That the pizza is slamming. Don't get it twisted. Pizza is good. We had really good pizza. But I will go out and saying this. I don't care how hyperbolic it sounds. I don't care how dramatic I sound. Like, no cap. As you can see, no cap when I say this. They have a coconut lemonade over there. It's the best lemonade I've ever had in my life. Period. Let's open them up and take a look at how they present. The service here is excellent. They bring everything to the table for you. You wouldn't think they would do that at a food truck, but they really treat this significantly like a restaurant. You're getting restaurant quality stuff. Kellan is very intrigued by this drink, so I'm gonna let him taste it in a second. I should be comparing the sandwiches, but there's a lot going on, or a lot of moving parts right now. Seriously, yo, the passion fruit drink, they're very sweet. If you're not into sweet drinks, but passion fruit is a sweet fruit, so it is what it is. It doesn't taste fake. You really taste passion fruit in it. Kellan's in that phase where he's not trying a lot of new things, and he drank it. I wouldn't say he had a smile on his face. He's not exactly coming back for it. But the fact that he didn't spit it out or make that shriveled face means he probably approves of it. But now to the burgers. I think that's a cola, like a cola champagne.
Wow.
You didn't know all of that?
No.
Oh, so
okay.
already we get to have a beat them up again. I didn't even know that this was free. This is something.
This is like a Dominican drink.
So this is like our cola champagne in Jamaica.
Yeah, it says merengue soda. I don't know this one.
Yeah, we're gonna try
it
it
looks
though.
like a cola.
You've seen our previous video before. You've seen how it looks. Look at this. Got the bread. This is not easy to eat without getting sloppy because you get into that sauce, but I'm telling you, everything on there is slamming. Yo, if you know me, you know some I hate onion and I don't pick anything out of this sandwich. Lisa might feel bad for me and pick something out for me, to be honest. But
the freshness of the ingredients, you see the coleslaw, like Dan said, if you come and watch any of our previous videos, you kind of know how it looks. And that's what makes a great restaurant, is consistently you come back and the food is like the same. And you're like, man, I don't remember even this flavor being like this good. But size for size, I think this is this the water bread? I think this might be like water bread. Presentation wise, did this one come with cheese?
No, she was out of the avocado.
Okay.
So I just got the plain burger, so it's not gonna be a perfect side for side.
So this one is toasted.
But they look like they share rolls, to be honest.
It has a coleslaw, right?
Yeah.
This is a fresher, like lettuce coleslaw.
But I can't tell because it looks like there's so much ketchup on this one.
The sauce, it looks like a barbecue sauce. That kind of looks good.
Yeah.
This is, the tomatoes definitely look fresher. And this is not trying to like degrade anybody or make anybody feel away, you know? So let's go.
So this is the content of
The Caribe, number 4.
All right.
It looks juicy inside.
I'm gonna wait till Lisa
Yeah,
bites.
let me bite. Wow, look at that. Inside looks good. You wanna go first?
It is heavy on the ketchup, but the ketchup isn't your typical like American Heinz ketchup. It doesn't taste like.
I think it still has that tangy.
It's not Jamaican ketchup.
Yeah.
Like where we just
There's
went the
another
other day.
sauce. This does have an acid kind of flavor to it.
Close to American, but not
but
exactly
I think,
Heinz like
you know,
style.
tasting ketchup, I think it's actually a barbecue sauce.
I don't know. There's
It's like
something else
but
in
like
there.
even look at the color of it.
No, it definitely
There's like
looks
a
like barbecue sauce.
ketchup. So the ketchup might, you know, but I do taste like an acidy because I don't like acidic barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
So that's what I taste.
There's
the
a lot
onions
of
are
the sauce.
grilled, so that's
Yeah.
good. Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Papa.
Thank you. Thank you.
Listen, best lemonade.
This one
I've
was so
ever
good
had.
though. Did you try this one?
Yeah.
So this is the passion fruit juice. So good.
That's from here. This is fire. And
So
it's
good.
just simply what they advertise, which is just passion fruit juice.
We're gonna cleanse our palate before we get to our the tried and true with a little bit of sweetness. So this one is, I think, a cola champagne.
Compared to what we know.
Yeah, it's cola champagne. This has corn syrup in it. It's
But
not
it's
very
good.
sweet.
It's not ice cold. I would
Yeah.
get like a cup of ice, but that
Yeah.
has nothing to do with the flavor. It is very much cola champagne.
But this, very nice.
Alright, let's go with that.
Dan is ready.
Now
Oh,
remember,
okay, wait. So,
the
edge.
burger is good in
The
this.
burger's good. Edge is just the onions.
Oh, yeah,
I
the
like,
onions
you know,
are
I like a
good.
cooked
Yeah.
onion. But okay, let me tell you, this one is messy, but it's like a good messy.
Go for it.
Go for it. Like I said, it's messy, so you keep it in.
Now this one obviously has more elements in there. There's cheese in this. There's gonna have plantain. So we have to just compare burger for burger and bread for bread. Bro, can I get a bite?
I need them to see the burger, so I'm gonna need to bite a little more.
She had to take another bite for you to see the burger. See?
The plantain, tomatoes, cabbage.
Yeah, come prepared, cause
Do you want to do the review? That's what I was saying. There's no crunch to the cabbage. Again, this just might be their chimney. Their other food might be great. Like if they weren't open, I would go to them for a chimney, right? But
yeah,
this is hands down.
this is no
It's never
knock to
something
them.
we've ever had before.
What I had
so
there is good.
If we had theirs first, that could have also altered it as well.
I'm gonna be honest.
But
I
this-
still think I would say this wins.
Because there's just so many flavors to it.
The cabbage is a little fresher to me.
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
Tomato
for
you
sure.
taste the individual in this. This one is a little bit more sloppy. I'm still gonna finish this. This is still gonna be good, but this is the win overall winner.
We'll take that
There's
home.
more ketchup to this.
Yeah.
And
There's
it's a little
definitely a
grouch in
freshness to
there.
it.
I'm being real. I think this was over before it got started because of what
I
this was
know.
going to be there. But
I know. But
meat for meat, they're very close.
that
I
is
will
very,
not
that
say
is a good meat.
that
That
this
is a good
very
meat.
good beef
So
in
that's
there.
what I'm saying. They do steaks. They do like full meals. I hope you get a picture of the truck.
Yeah.
They do steaks. So I would check out a steak from them, but we are doing chimney to chimney competition and they did it. So why are you eating that one now? You needed another bite to make sure.
Yeah.
So I'll finish this off if you want me to. But no, I think
Onions
it is
are
the same.
superior in this.
Yes.
The buns are the same, but the edge is there because they toast their
You
bun.
can see this is a cabbage, guys.
The cabbage is fresher there. Overall winner is going to be.
This is the cabbage and the other
Put
one.
some respect on their name, so I'm going to try to pronounce it again. Sal pimienta.
Sal y pimienta. Pimienta. Because it's P-I-M-I. And I was saying pimento, like pimento, but it's pepper, like salt and pepper, you know?
Yeah.
But
the
guys,
edge is salt and pepper.
so good, so good.
Now, let's be real. It's not an edge. It's a clear winner. But that's not nothing. Just not saying I would never order anything from them. I will try some other food from them. They have a lot more. I think that might be the thing too. Is their menu seems to be very varied. Not to say they don't have a very varied menu here too.
They have a menu.
Yeah. But I'm saying usually what happens, and I think it's happening over there, in their case, is like kind of like a jack of all trades, which gives way more credit to over here. They have a varied menu. Like the first time we had this like Dominican fried.
Oh, the chicharrón de pollo.
Chicharrón de pollo. Fire.
That's how we make chicken. Oh my God, I gotta show you this. So, Chimi Creations is somebody that he thought he found, but I was like, no, I know her from Facebook. She did a chicharrón. She said Haitian fried chicken. So yeah, so I was like, oh, that was kind of cool. Because we came here, I was like, I have to learn how to make this. So
Here.
I don't know if you can see.
Kellan. Here.
If you know passion fruit, you know passion fruit seeds. So I don't know if this is fresh made here. I don't know if it's something that they get
Kellan.
like store bought, but it tastes really nice and fresh. It comes with ice, really nice and
You
refreshing.
see passion fruit seed in there?
Yeah, there's seeds in there.
Oh, okay.
And then another one of our tried and trues. This is from Miles Pizza. This is their coconut lemonade.
Yeah, we were being a little annoyed. We were sitting there and we forgot to go over there, and they actually brought it over.
He said he was gonna bring it. And I was like, no, just call. Just say, just scream for me and I'll come back. And we tried this with the rum, right? We brought some home last time.
Yeah.
Added some rum to it. White rum is nice with it, but like I enjoyed the dark rum with it. Really nice, because it's not like a too coconutty, where it's like just a cream, like a pina colada. It's refreshing because it has the lemonade.
If I'm being fair, it's kind of like when you hear me talk about the mango key lime pie, it's not a true comparison to a regular lemonade. All that hype in the south about half and half, but this is worth every cent that they charge you. Especially because I'm not doing them justice in showing you that when you order, the man reach under the counter and grab out a lime,
Let me
fresh
tell you,
red.
we have the shop to go and make a drink.
So you talk about fresh?
I'm gonna be honest, I can yam off this chimney by myself. Because the thing, I like thinner meat, and this is a thick meat, but it's so good that you're just like, yeah.
The fact that it's not all in my beard right now is amazing, because like I said, this is not easy
I know.
to eat without making a mess, because there's so much sauce in it, but none of the taste of the individual items are being drowned out. So just know
Their line is always really good, right? And their line here is great too. But they usually have,
traffic
even at
over
night,
there, yeah.
like you come late at night, and
we
this
come in
place
the
will be
dead of winter, and them will be one of the only trucks over here still going. But there is a clear winner.
And this one, Miles Pizza. Thank you.
I'm willing to go out on a bet so far that when we do the comparison video of World of Food Trucks up in Kissimmee, I'm putting that drink as the representation of here versus anything that I can find there. Yeah.
You know what? This is just so different. Because they also have a cherry lemonade, a mint lemonade. I just want to take this home and put some rum in it.
That is bar none. And that's not even the main thing. They make pizza. That's slamming. The pizza is awesome.
We had some of that chips
And
on
it had
it.
corn on there,
And
bro.
corn.
And it was fire.
It was so good. Yes.
You know, people flip out about pineapple on pizza. This had corn on it, and it was fire. Alright, so this is like I don't even know if you would call this a fusion, but this is called a Mexicana. So it has jalapenos. There's a chip. What a chip?
Tacos.
Yeah,
but
we
it's
have
beef, corn, tomatoes. The crust is like so nice.
Yeah.
We're ready
It
to
looks
dig in.
amazing.
Originally we were like, oh, we're just gonna like pick it up and like take it home, but now it's like we want to try it before we go home because it looks so good. This is the pizza place. This is their first week that they're open.
I'm always impressed. I don't know. I don't know how many times I'm gonna come and be impressed by the food, but food looks fire. It smells amazing. I would have never thought corn would work on a pizza. All right, let's go for it. Yo, calling all Jamaicans. I don't know how it is now, if it still exists, whatever. But back in the day when Shakey's Pizza was like the best pizza on the planet to you, this is like the crust, just the smell right before you bite into it. Yeah.
Okay.
This is
Can
it.
I try? I want to try. I want
Go
to
for
try.
it.
Okay. Very good.
Isn't there like just weird, fresh, like it's not your typical, I mean, it's obviously not your traditional pizza, but there's just something to it that's just
The
different.
combination of the stuff, the crispiness of the tostacos, right? The sauce is not like a lot of sauce, but you could taste it. There is a sauce there.
But it works so well
Yeah.
together. Like there's no element I think that's unbalanced.
The
It's not
crust
like
is really,
the cheese is
nice.
amazing.
yeah, that's what I was like. The cheese, what type of cheese is that? Really good. Really, really good. They just made this.
Literally, when I ordered it, it's like, oh, it's gonna be about 5 minutes. So I thought they were gonna turn something on. Man, I saw the guy reach under and take out the limes to make it fresh.
I'm telling you, super excited.
So a while ago, he brought the freshly made lemonade, and then he came back and he was like, "Oh, this is not the coconut one," and just said, "Those two are free. I'm gonna bring the other two." I almost feel bad, like I want to tell him just bring one, but again, excellent customer
Accommodating, just
service,
accommodating.
very accommodating.
First taste.
You know what I like about it? It's very light. They didn't go in with sugar. This is not like your Southern American, like sweet tea lemonade that's just sweet.
Like a Caribbean lemonade.
Yeah, very light, very fresh. Man, listen,
Listen. Say, listen, people.
listen.
Listen, people. Look at
I
this.
don't know what is in this. We were debating if it's a coconut milk or what. But you're in trouble because this is
Showrunner.
amazing. Like, yo,
Showrunner.
listen, I told the man pizza is great. It's great. Come eat the pizza. But this, unless you hate coconut, this is amazing.
Even he loved it.
And of course, being Jamaican rum heads, we're like, yo, just a
Yeah.
little bit of rum in it. But yo, it is so good.
It's like a creamsicle. So put ice cream in it. Yo, wouldn't that be
Lisa, I
fun?
take it too far, but of course, I'd follow her there.
I lied. Put some vanilla ice cream in
no,
there.
it is amazing.
You heard me say it. Put some vanilla ice cream in that thing, right? Okay?
Yeah, this is not even what this place is a pizza spot.
Yeah.
But this, trust
Winner,
me.
winner, winner, winner.
Anyone that comes to visit us from wherever, South Florida, or you're coming from wherever,
We gonna
we
take
will
you here.
take you here. So, yo, I wouldn't even vex if I come back and it was ram one day. I'd just happy them say them have the business. I went and got the donuts. They're small compared to like a fork.
I like sweet. Some people might think this is too sweet. I don't think so. But I'm gonna have Dan try it out.
Initially gonna be thinking maybe the donuts is too sweet for them to put anything on it or the sauce. Like I got the caramel sauce, but because the donuts aren't overly sweet as it is, can't top it with powdered sugar and those.
I would like to try without anything.
Yeah.
Just maybe just a powdered sugar. So what was it? Too sweet?
No, this is perfect. Perfect balance. Yo, there's a crispness to it. There's a softness on the inside. Very well done.
Very well done.
I can see somebody taking the same exact donut, putting some like fancy display, bringing it out on your table with some powdered sugar and charging you $20-something for it.
You know what it's like? It's like Thai donuts.
Let's go get the churros.
Remember how the guy's like, don't forget the bev, don't forget the churro. All right, guys, we are here at our favorite dessert places, Churro Factory. We are trying something a little different tonight. We're gonna be doing mini churros, choritos. I saw somebody ordering that. I was like, oh wait, they got mini ones, so we're gonna do that tonight. Again, he makes everything by hand, is like crazy, and he's like really quick with how he does it. Something so simple as that, like, you know, I don't know what he puts in the dough, but it's like really soft. Again, it's like, oh, it's just dough, but I'm telling you, it didn't disappoint. I'm sure it's not gonna disappoint again this time. We do really love this place. This is what they call mini.
Yeah.
This is big. Okay, this is the mini. You want to compare the size?
These are the stuffed ones here, and he
Okay.
actually gave me an extra one. And I'm telling you, this is the best churro that I've ever had.
So good. So good, so good. I'm telling you, Baba approved. He likes the sugar on them. But this one is like crispy. There's a dipping sauce that we're gonna take home. This is Nutella.
But you can get a choosy toddler that basically just eats applesauce on fries to eat
Let me tell you, if you think we review, that's the ultimate reviewer. Him over here is finishing that up. I want to go home and eat the rest of this. Like, let me take a bite. Let me take a bite. Let me take a bite. That's so good.
I'm telling you, I hope to one day have the kind of reach that like some other bigger content creators have. I'm telling you, this deserves like Keith Lee or somebody big like that.
I
to come
know.
through and say like, yo, this is the best churro. Because I'm confident.
We're not exaggerating. It's just so soft.
Soft, but it's crunchy.
Telling
It's
you.
just fresh. Like usually when you get churros, it's something that feels like it's 2 days away from being like cinnamon toast crunch.
But this is a crispier. It's like a harder fry. This one is like just super soft and like, look at that.
I think every churro that I've had until I've had this has been like some Americanized version of what this really is.
Yeah.
Like this deserves to be spelled differently with the X. I don't know authenticity when it comes to churro, but this tastes like
I thought you said you
authenticity.
had something in Mexico.
Yeah, but I don't know how authentic that is.
That's true. When you go to certain places, sometimes you think that like you're having something authentic, but sometimes they make American versions of it
You get in the
for
watered
you.
down version for the tourists.
Exactly. So this one, if this ain't authentic, whatever it is, I want to stick with it.
If this is not authentic, then this is just like when I say like Italian pizza versus like New York street pizza, then this is better than authentic. This is either authentic or better than authentic.
So thanks for coming along on our favorite treats. Check out our Instagram. See you in the car or home or on the next vlog. Bye!
You will always be my inspiration.